sighted in like 1.5 inches high. Yeah, I shot. I watched the buck run off. Like it didn't even bother him. I just heard something crash over here. I don't know. I'm at a loss for words. That was a big buck. I'm gonna keep looking around. It's so hard to track in this. So, I'm gonna keep looking around. Hopefully I can find some blood or something. I can't believe that. Looking for my buck. I don't know if I hit it yet or not. This is the log I was laying on. And it's a big log. And those deer were straight down there. Right there. And I just ranged it from this log 115 yards. I don't know how in the hell I would have missed. I remember I actually took my time and set it right on the heart. It's close. The tree or not jerked it. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking, but it's not looking good. I've searched all down through this bottom and found absolutely nothing. So I'm starting to think I missed. But I'm gonna go over there and look again. I missed. I just found enough evidence to convince me here. So, all this torn up dirt is exactly where he was standing. You can tell it took off right here. The other smaller buck was standing right there. Where I was laying was right up behind that center tree with the blue on it. I was laying right up behind that. I mean, it's perfect. And now I also know I missed. Right there. It's hair. I cut that son of a bitch's hair. I can't believe that. It was easily probably 140, 150 inch whitetail. I didn't even count tines. He was at least a 4x4 or 5x5. Just a stud whitetail. I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking. I've already been looking for like an hour. So, I know I missed now though. I'm almost 100%. How I missed, I can't tell you, but oh well, I guess. Oh my God, guys. Oh, I just kept walking and oh my God. I just kept walking in kind of the direction he ran. And this is the shit I'm going through. Oh my God. Yes! Just came through this little clearing right on the side of those trees is where I shot. Oh my God, guys. There, come on, focus. There he is. Oh my God! Let's go up to him. Oh, no way. Oh my God, yes. Oh. Look at that. Yes. Oh, oh my God. No way. All right, guys, I gotta grab my gun off here. Just so I can make sure he's down. Look at that, guys. Oh, it was a perfect shot too. Well, a little far back. All right. Yes! Yeah! Okay. Oh, yes. Oh my God, Dad, I'm so freaking excited right now. I cannot believe I found him. Yes! Oh my God! Oh, look at that butt, guys. Oh man, yes. Oh! How the hell am I gonna get him out of here? Looks like he is a 4x3. Awesome eye guards. Oh my God, Dad, this one is for you. Oh, I wish you were here with me. Oh, God damn it. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Oh. Thank you. Oh my God, this is so awesome. Look at this buck. Oh my God. I'm so glad I walked up this way. Oh, I knew I couldn't have missed him. Oh. Yes. This one's for you, Dad. Oh, I wish you could be here with me. Fuck. Alright guys, I'm back. I gained my composure a little bit now, so I'm a little less excited. I can't even begin to tell you guys the highs and lows. I've only been hunting for 2 hours this morning, but I saw this guy right at first light, and he was standing there with a doe and a smaller buck. And I took the shot, and I looked and looked and looked for an hour and a half, and I'll show in the video that I found a clump of hair and tracks, and you know, I could have swore I missed. I looked all over in this little valley to my left. All right, guys. Like I was saying, I was just trying to do another video, and my camera fell over. Yeah, this has been a morning of highs and lows. I was sick to my stomach. I thought for sure I missed this guy. And I had actually given up on looking. I looked for an hour and a half. I didn't find blood. All I could find was tracks. This guy, he did not bleed. I don't see any blood around this area. So I had given up, and I was just walking up to continue my morning hunt. And I just happened to look through these trees and saw the body and the antlers. Oh my, yeah, I lost it. People probably in the nearest town heard me yelling, so I can't be more thankful. I was crushed when I thought I missed it. I was absolutely crushed. This is probably my best buck to date. I mean, he's not a giant by any means. You know, he's probably 120 to 130 class. But just the rush, you know. And I took it with my dad's 300. I put a new stock on it this year. I absolutely love this stock, but the barrel, the scope, everything else was my dad's. And yeah, this one, I gotta thank him, because he grew up teaching me how to hunt, and you gotta share a lot of cool experiences with him. I know he's with me right now, so this one's for you, Dad. This was incredible, absolutely incredible. So guys, I don't know what else to say.
I'm speechless right now. I can't believe this actually happened. So now the work begins. I am quite a ways from anywhere I can get him out of. So absolutely awesome.
We're getting my drag out. As you can see, look what I just found. I literally stepped on it. Oh. Not a bad elk horn. Fuck. It's been here a long time. All right, guys. Here he is. My 2016 Montana whitetail. What in the morning. I'm tired. I had to pack him out probably close to 3/4 of a mile through swamp and just nasty mucky mess, and I'm spent now. I was okay while the adrenaline was going, but once it stopped, it was rough. But yeah, what a morning. That was exciting. I mean, I don't even know how to put it into words. It was just such a low. And then when I just happened to walk across him, oh man, it was such an endorphin rush. I can't even begin to tell you how I felt. My shot, when I found out when I was gutting it, it was a little far back, but why I wasn't finding blood is he bled out internally. There was an ungodly amount of blood in his chest cavity, and yeah, there was hardly any blood where I found him. So I just got lucky and happened to walk in the right area. So, but I got her done. Everything turned out good. I'm gonna go home, get this all taken care of, cut up, and relax. Now, I just got my elk tag left. So I'll try to shoot that one a little bit closer to the road next time. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. And as always, Don from Shed Crazy. We'll see you next time.